Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Code Warbex. On this pod, we will add gravity and jumping to the player cube, but unfortunately, my last project is deleted, but due to an error. But don't worry, I will tell you all the steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to Unity Hub and open your project. But unfortunately, as you know, my last project is deleted due to an error. So, open your project. Now, after opening the project, now we are in the scene. So let's add the ground and player object. Right click in the hierarchy panel, go to 3D object and click plane. Rename the plane to ground. After this, again go to hierarchy window, right click again, go to 3D object and click cube, rename it player. Now, next let's add gravity to the player. Select the cube player here. Now from the inspector on the right, click add component. Search for Rigidbody and click it to add. Let's tag the ground so we can detect when the player touches it. Click the ground object here. Now go to the tag drop down at the top of the inspector. Click add tag, then click the plus icon. Let's now create a script to make the cube jump. Right click in here in the project window. Go to create C script and name it JumpScript. What you wanna do, double click on the JumpScript, then open it in your Visual Studio Code. After this, write the same code or you can copy from a description box from easily. Now from here, you want to delete the previous code and go for controlling and cut this full. Now, what you wanna do when you cut the full or the code, now start by using UnityEngine. This gives us access to Unity's physics and input system. Next, you create a new script called JumpScript and connect it to Unity by inheriting from MonoBehaviour. This sets how high the jump layer jumps. We can change this value in the inspector later. This is a private Rigidbody variable. We will use it to apply physics like jumping into the cube. This boolean checks if the player is on the ground, so we can allow jumping only when the cube is touching the floor. Now, the start method runs once when the game starts. Here, we connect our Rigidbody variable to the actual Rigidbody component on the player. If the thing we touched has a ground, we set this ground to true so the player can jump again. Now, after finishing this full code, head back to the copy and you can copy this from all my description After box. Copying, what you wanna do, save the file and go back to the Unity editor. Make sure there is no mistake or no error. If you want to check the error near the project window, right click on the console, and if you have banner, click on that and please check to fix it. After that, this code allows jumping when space is pressed, but only if the cube is touching the ground. Now let's test it. Press the play button at the top. Tap the spacebar to jump. You will see the cube goes up, then falls back down with gravity. It won't jump again until it touches the ground. That's it. For this episode, now our player cube jumps using real physics and gravity. In the next part, we will add a camera follow or collectible system. Don't forget to like and subscribe.